your girl Reese LaFleur, and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, you guys? So this video is all about this ponytail braid that I did with my full lace wig. This is like the full lace wig that I do everything with. This is the same full lace wig that I used to do my bantu knots like months ago, you guys. So I always just recreate stuff with this full lace wig, especially since I am 4C and natural, and I wanted to have a style that would actually last me more than a week. Like I could wear this for like 2-3 weeks if I wanted to, because it's a wig and I don't have to worry about my hair turning like looking ashy or whatever like that. So that is what this video is all about. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Welcome. My name is Reese LaFleur, and this is a baddie of all trades channel. So we are giving you all types of vibes. We're doing fashion, hair, makeup, nails, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's get right into the tutorial. This is going to be a really quick one, you guys. Hey you guys, so I've already laid down my full lace wig. I didn't show you guys this because I feel like I've laid down wigs so many times. So if you look at any of my other wig videos, you'll see how I lay it down. I lay it down pretty much the same each time. I'm having an elastic band around my head, so I'm just making sure that it's in the right spot so that my wig doesn't move and shift and all of that. So instead of using my hot comb, which I probably would have used had I not been lazy to get up, I'm using water to just brush the wig up. Water and gel is what I'm going to use for this style, so it's going to be really normal to how you would do it on your own hair. So once I get the front up the way I like it, then I'm going to push it up and work toward the back. So now I'm grabbing my Eco Styler gel, and this is the flaxseed and castor oil one. This is my favorite one, and I'm just rubbing that between my hands, and then I'm just going to push it up, and this will start to make this ponytail mold. As you can see, it's starting to look nice and smooth. So the hot comb wasn't even really needed, you guys. Alright, so now I just grab the hard brush. I'm just brushing that upward, and now I'm going to start spraying the back and bringing the back toward the front, and this is going to help my hair lay, you know, like, you want it to lay nice and neat. Now this is a full lace wig. This full lace wig was on Amazon. I believe it was about $60. And I will actually link it down below, because this full lace wig is the wig I use for my bantu knots. I use to do pretty much anything. And very soon I'm going to actually order a new one, because I want to have a really long knotless braid wig, like a jumbo knotless braid wig. So the parts on this wig is perfect. The color of this lace is perfect for me. So I'm definitely going to put it down below if you're interested in having just a full lace wig for your styles like this, so that you don't have to worry about doing your own hair or putting your own hair in gel and stuff like that. Your hair is still protective. This is considered a protective style. So after I'm done brushing it up, we're just going to grab a scrunchie. I'm just going to put that around the hair. Now this part, even when I'm doing my real hair, I always mess up because I squeeze it, and then I remember like I shouldn't squeeze it, because then I put bumps and lumps in it, and it's like, why did I do that? Like, why would I do that? And I know every time I do it, I do that, but you know. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my Got2b spray, and I'm just going to spray all over the hair to help it mold a little better and keep it in place. And then I'm just going to bobby pin the parts where I said I pulled it and messed it up. So I'm just going to bobby pin those parts up. It's not a lot of pieces, but you know. And as you saw when I turned to the side, you see how good the back of that hair looks. And then I'm just going to grab my hair wax and push it up as well. Anything to make sure that it's nice and smooth, you guys. So once I'm done with my little ponytail, I'm just going to grab my headscarf, of course, to help lay it down more. And then we're just going to go and start doing the braided part. So I'm using some braiding hair that I actually bought in bulk from Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. I believe it was like 10 or 12 things of hair, and I just have a bunch of them left over still. So my nail just broke off. That's crazy. But I'm just using this. I used 3 packs, 2 packs because I wanted the braid to be nice and thick at the top, and then we're gonna feed in the 3rd pack to keep it nice and thick all the way down so the braid is nice and long. Make sure that you double the band so that it stays in place. Alright, so I'm just going to put that hair in my mouth to get it out of my way, and then I'm just going to start braiding down like how you would normally braid a 3-part braid. Now I'm having a little bit of trouble while I'm braiding because my nails have a butterfly on them and rhinestones, so my nails are getting stuck. So I had to like turn the camera off for a second to like get my gripping and then like do it over, and then like, so it was crazy. So I'm coming back on camera to try to feed in the hair, and I ended up feeding it in, and then it got so caught. It was so hard to feed in this hair, you guys, because my hand just kept getting caught. That's what I'm showing you now. Like my nail just kept getting caught. It was annoying me because that butterfly was just soaking up all the hair. So it was really hard to feed in. But once I got it, I just kept braiding down all the way to the end, and then you're just gonna rubber band it at the end, you guys. This is a super simple style, but it's super cute. I'm going to wear this for at least a week and a half, I hope, because I tend to change my hair way too much. If you also like to change your hair like weekly, bi-weekly, leave a comment down below and let me know how often you change your hair. Alright, so now that I got that braid done and secured, I'm just going to fatten it up a little bit, and this is how it looks. Now I'm taking that piece that I left out at the top, and I'm just going to wrap it around the bottom of the braid, just so you can't see the knot of the braid that we added. So you can just wrap that around, and then we're going to grab some freeze spray and just spray it so that it sticks, and then we're just going to use a bobby pin at the end of that so that it doesn't fall out. Alright, so now I'm just going to take off that headscarf, and you can see how smooth it looks. I actually love the way it looks. It looks super natural. So right after this, we're just going to go straight into doing our edges. We're going to take off this elastic band and just pull it down and just add our style booster. I'm just showing you exactly how it looks. The wig laid down really well. I love this wig because the color is so perfect. Okay, so now this is my Eco Styler, my edge control, and I'm just gonna put it all over my edges. If you hear talking in the background, my mother knows I'm doing a voiceover and she's refusing to be quiet. So I'm doing my edges, I'm laying them down. I'm just putting them up, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready to do my makeup, you guys. Like, I love this style. It's just super simple, super cute, and I feel like you could dress this up, dress it down with anything. So this is the final look with my makeup and the braid. It looks so pretty. I don't know, it looks so natural. I love this unit, and this unit just makes everything so much easier without having to deal with my hair and putting so much product and gel and jam in my hair. So this saves that totally, and this really only took me like 30 minutes to get done, if that. Alright, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.